For number 2, let's read what we have. We said, Kendall found that the solutions to a quadratic equation were -2 and 3, and which of these descriptions apply to that quadratic equation? We have to select all that apply. So if I look at the options, A and B are talking about x-intercepts, C and D are talking about the factors, and E and F are talking about the actual equation. So let's focus on parts A and B. So they're talking about x-intercepts. If you remember, solutions has a couple synonyms. We could call them roots, we call them zeros, we call them x-intercepts because they cross the x-axis, and they're zeros because the y-coordinate always has to be 0. So if we are given the two solutions, those are -2 and 3, then we can also say the x-intercepts are -2 and 3. So that would be answer choice A. So far we have A. And then since the solutions are -2 and 3, we could go backwards, work backwards, and write the factors. So if the solution was -2, the factor had to have been the opposite sign because you apply the zero product property to get that -2. And the other factor, if it was a 3, had to have been a -3. So I could call it f of x equals, these are my two factors. So if I look at answer choices C and D, it looks like answer choice D matches. And then finally, part E and F says the equation. Well, f of x is the same thing as y, so essentially you're really saying your factors is the same as the actual equation, just written in intercept form. So that would match answer choice E. And that's it.